Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have got a Shein package. So now we're gonna show our stuff. 3, 2, no, who wants to go first? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no, you have to go first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Don't copy me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What is that? So my sister already showed her bubbles. They are so cute. I love them. The colors are yellow, green, orange. What color? Okay, good. What color? What color? Oh, let me get a hard one. What color? Blue. What color? Orange. Good girl. What color? Pink. Good. Oh, my hand's stuck in the mouse trap. Look, kids. This is a mouse. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Ah, I'm stuck in the mouse trap. Go away, mouse. So now, my squishies. I love them. Let's see. These all are mine. I can't just wear it. Oh, cozy. Okay, I'm gonna sleep. So soft, like a pillow. I wish you could sleep on it, kids. Ready? Yeah. What color? Pink. What color? Yellow. What color? Orange. What color? Pink. What color? Blue. What color? White. So now these all can be mine, and then all can be yours. These all are mine. No, I want that pink. I want the cherry pink. Fine. Never mind. I'm gonna do it. Cock-a-doodle-doo! 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 Never mind about these. Continue with her. I'm gonna sleep again. I'm gonna sleep again. I'm gonna sleep again. Alright. Never mind. I'm definitely taking the white because this girl might dirty it. Oh yeah, headbands we've got. Choose. I want this one so bad and that one. I want that one too. So I want these two. You can take that one. I'm keeping this one for the rest of the video. I'm keeping this forever. I love it. It looks like my old one. It doesn't have like What about this? Okay, we're gonna try them all on. So first you see me in this. What about this? Comment down below if you like this one. And you see this one. Comment down below if you like it. And here are our cool scrunchies. I'll just quick open them up. Hair again. Put them on your hand. And then I tie my hair with scrunchies. Or I put them on my wrist. There might be a black and green and it's special. I'm gonna open it and wear one. Actually, the black one. I'm gonna open it. The black one is good for me. I'm gonna open it and put my hair. Oh, so good. I'm gonna put it back now. I've got a llama. And it's blue, and she's got pink. So let's put them on. Try them on. Oh, I love it. I knew it's gonna feel like this. I'm not taking that off, except from school. School doesn't look at that. Llama. Look, kids. Blueberry. Llama. My favorite's the llama. Okay, last but not least, I love this so bad, I'm never gonna take it off. Oh, that I opened it. Now, as soon as I get it out, I'm gonna put it on. For the first time, I put the necklace on by myself. I'll show you. I have Look at Ta-da! for Soha.
G for Esha.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye.
Junior by Deco. Like, share and subscribe us. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification.